Alright guys, here we've got a demoed 2024 SALFORD 2200. This is a 24-foot frame. It's got the 22-inch blades with the 5-bolt hub with the larger 1 5/8 coil. And then you can see right here is the hydraulic switchblade shank kit. This can be raised and lowered from the cab hydraulically. It's got a manual 14-inch basket with manual adjust tines in the back. Of course, hydraulic fold with we've got our pin locks right here. These 24-footers transport real nice at about 12 to 13 feet wide, so it's real nice and narrow. So this thing will transport across the country very easily. Here's your harrow tines. There's only a few hundred acres of demo on this machine. It's a 2024 model, so it is going to be priced rather aggressively. If you're looking for a 24-foot machine with hydraulic shanks, this one's got them on 30 inches. And this requires 3 hydraulic remotes to run. Easy to use. Give us a call. We can talk about this unit today. Thanks for tuning in.